中国 J-35战斗机的历史、现状与未来综述。概述：沈阳 J-35是中国的一款双发隐形多用途战斗机，由沈阳飞机工业集团 SAC 制造，旨在执行空中优越和地面打击任务。其开发起源于 FC-31项目，该项目旨在吸引潜在的国际客户。J-35拥有陆基与舰载两个变种，分别满足中国人民解放军空军 PLAAF 和海军航空兵 PLANAF 的需求。时间线：2012年10月31日 FC-31首飞，标志着中国产第5代战斗机的开始。2021年10月29日，舰载型 J-35首飞，标志着其进入实战化阶段。2023年9月26日，陆基变种 J-35A 首飞，展示了与早期舰载版的显著差异。2024年11月12日 ，J-35A 在珠海航展上首次公开飞行表演。发展历程 ：FC-31项目在2010年的空军新一代战斗机招标中，沈阳飞机公司未能赢得 JXX 项目，转而开发 FC-31。该机于2012年首次亮相，并积极寻求国际市场。舰载型开发，随着中国海军对隐形战斗机的兴趣增加， FC-31被改进为可舰载的 J-35， 增加了弹射起飞装置和折叠机翼。2021年 J-35的首飞标志着其进入实战化阶段。J-35A 的出现，2023年 J-35A 的首次飞行显示了与舰载型的不同设计特征，特别是在机翼和起落架设计上。技术特点：隐身能力 ，J-35采用了低可探测设计，减少雷达反射面积，内部武器舱设计提升了隐身性能。动力系统：最初的 FC-31使用 PLAAF RD-93发动机，后续使用更高效的 WS-13E 和 WS-21发动机，后者具备更强的推力。航电系统 J-35装备了主动电子扫描阵列 AESA 雷达，具备多种作战模式，能够有效跟踪与打击多个目标。战略影响：随着 J-35的投入使用，中国将在隐形战斗机领域与美国的 F-22和 F-35形成直接竞争。西方评论认为， J-35的存在将增强中国的空中作战能力，可能会吸引无法获得美国战机的国家作为潜在客户。未来展望：国际合作与出口，巴基斯坦已表示有意购买 J-31， 可能成为其国际市场的首个买家。此外，埃及也在与中国谈判潜在采购 FC-31战斗机的事宜。技术演进 J-35系列的不断完善与发展，尤其是新型 WS-19发动机的应用，预计将进一步提升其作战能力。总结而言，沈阳 J-35战斗机的发展代表了中国在现代空战技术上的进步，未来将在国际军事市场中扮演重要角色。各来源总结：来源一 Shenyang J-35 J-35A 在2024珠海航展上首次公开飞行，标志着其正式进入公众视野。该机是中国人民解放军空军的第2型5代战斗机，其设计目标是对标美国的 F-22和 F-35。来源2 Guizhou WS-13 WS-13涡扇发动机是 J-35的主要动力来源，具备较高的推力与效率，支持该飞机的隐身性能与作战能力。来源3 KLJ-7 KLJ-7雷达系统为 J-35提供先进的目标跟踪与打击能力，支持多种作战模式和武器系统，实现了与国际标准接轨。结论：沈阳 J-35战斗机的发展将是中国军事现代化的重要里程碑，其技术进步与战略部署将对未来的国际军事格局产生深远影响。 随着其陆基和舰载版本的逐步完善， J-35预计将在未来的空战中发挥关键作用。
The development of the Shenyang J-35 stealth fighter represents a significant leap in China's military aviation capabilities. Initially conceived as the FC-31 project aimed at securing international customers, the J-35 has evolved into a sophisticated aircraft designed for diverse roles including air superiority and ground attack. The J-35 encompasses both land-based J-35A and carrier-based variants reflecting the modernization of the People's Liberation Army Air Force PLAAF and the People's Liberation Army Naval Air Force PLANAF. Historical context and development. 1. Origins in the FC-31 project. The J-35's roots trace back to the FC-31, which first flew in 2012. This aircraft initially aimed to compete for the PLAAF's next-generation fighter program but was ultimately sidelined in favor of the Chengdu J-20. Instead, the Shenyang Aircraft Corporation SAC focused on developing the FC-31 as an export-oriented platform, showcasing it at various airshows to attract overseas buyers. 2. Transition to J-35. The shift from FC-31 to J-35 occurred when the plan expressed interest in a naval variant. This led to the introduction of features such as a catapult launch system and folding wings, making it suitable for operation from aircraft carriers. 3. Variants. The J-35 series includes a land-based variant J-35A which reflects different design characteristics to suit operational needs. The J-35A completed its first flight in September 2023 and was publicly showcased at the 2024 Zhuhai Airshow. Technical capabilities. 1. Stealth features. The J-35 is engineered with low observable characteristics featuring a reduced radar cross-section RCS and an internal weapons bay that enhances its stealth profile. The design incorporates advanced radar-absorbent materials and serrated edges to minimize detection. 2. Avionics and sensors. Equipped with active electronically scanned array AESA radar and advanced avionics, the J-35 offers superior situational awareness. The KLJ-7A radar developed by Nanjing Research Institute of Electronic Technology supports multiple operational modes, enhancing its combat effectiveness. 3. Engines. The J-35 currently utilizes the WS-21 engines, which provide improved thrust and efficiency over earlier models. Future iterations are expected to adopt the more advanced WS-19 engines, potentially enabling supercruise capabilities. 4. Armament. The aircraft can carry a variety of munitions including air-to-air missiles like the PL-15 and PL-10 as well as precision-guided bombs. The internal weapons bay can accommodate a significant payload while preserving stealth. Strategic implications. 1. Regional air superiority. The introduction of the J-35 enhances China's air combat capabilities, allowing it to compete directly with advanced U.S. fighters like the F-22 and F-35. Analysts believe that the J-35 could outperform many existing fourth-generation fighters in the region. 2. Export potential. There is considerable interest in the J-35 from countries unable to procure U.S. aircraft due to budgetary or political constraints. Pakistan has expressed interest in acquiring the J-31, indicating a potential market for the J-35. 3. Geopolitical dynamics. The development of the J-35 is part of a broader trend where regional adversaries, including India and Japan, are simultaneously advancing their own stealth fighter projects. This arms race could reshape the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region. Future prospects. 1. Continued development. The J-35 program is expected to evolve with ongoing upgrades and enhancements. The anticipated WS-19 engines and further refinements to avionics and weapons systems will bolster its performance. 2. Operational integration. The J-35 is poised to play a crucial role in joint operations across the PLAAF and PLANAF, facilitating cross-service collaboration and enhancing overall combat effectiveness. 3. Global positioning. as China continues to expand its military aviation capabilities, the J-35 secures its place in the global defense market, challenging Western dominance and providing alternatives for nations seeking advanced aerial combat platforms. In summary, the Shenyang J-35 fighter jet embodies China's ambition to establish itself as a formidable player in the realm of advanced military aviation. Its development reflects not only a technological leap but also a strategic shift in the balance of power within the Asia-Pacific region. The implications of its introduction extend far beyond the immediate operational capabilities, influencing international defense dynamics and shaping future conflicts. The Shenyang J-35 fighter jet represents a significant development in China's military aviation capabilities, embodying advancements in stealth technology, multi-role functionality, and strategic positioning within the global defense market. While many aspects of the J-35's design and development have been documented, several noteworthy details might be overlooked by the casual observer, yet they hold profound implications for future military dynamics. 1. Developmental heritage and strategic intent. The J-35's lineage can be traced back to the FC-31 project, which initially aimed to create a competitive export fighter following China's unsuccessful bid for the JXX program. This transition from an export-oriented design to a domestically used stealth fighter showcases China's evolving military ambitions. The strategic significance lies in China's ability to innovate and adapt technologies to meet its own defense needs while simultaneously positioning itself as a competitor in the global arms market. The J-35's transition to a naval variant for the People's Liberation Army Naval Air Force PLANAF reflects China's increased focus on maritime capabilities, particularly in the South China Sea. The dual functionality, land-based and carrier-capable, enables China to project power across different domains and enhances its deterrent capabilities against regional adversaries. 2. Technological innovations. The J-35 incorporates several advanced technologies that could be easily overlooked. Advanced stealth features. The aircraft employs a low observable design that significantly reduces its radar cross-section (RCS). This aspect is critical as it allows the J-35 to operate in contested airspaces without being easily detected by enemy radar systems. The use of serrated engine nozzles and radar-absorbent materials enhances these stealth characteristics, which are pivotal for survival in modern aerial combat. Engine developments. The J-35 utilizes the WS-21 engine, a notable advancement over earlier models. The development of indigenous engines represents a critical step in reducing reliance on foreign technology and achieving operational independence. The potential future integration of the WS-19 engine could further enhance its performance, allowing for supercruise capabilities that would elevate its combat effectiveness. Avionics and networking. The integration of active electronically scanned array AESA radar systems such as the KLJ-7 allows the J-35 to track multiple targets simultaneously and engage threats effectively. This capability not only improves situational awareness but also positions the J-35 as a node within a larger integrated defense network, enhancing the overall effectiveness of China's military operations. 3. Strategic implications for regional security. The J-35's entry into service is likely to have profound implications for regional security dynamics in Asia, as it positions itself as a competitor to the US F-22 and F-35. The J-35 could shift the balance of power in the region, particularly in areas where air superiority is contested. Countries like India and Japan are already investing in their own advanced fighter programs in response to China's growing military capabilities. Moreover, the potential for export markets presents a dual-edged sword. While it allows China to strengthen its economic ties with countries seeking advanced military capabilities, it also raises concerns among neighboring countries regarding an arms race and the proliferation of advanced military technologies. The recent interest from Pakistan and Egypt in acquiring variants of the J-31 or J-35 underscores this point, suggesting that the J-35 could become a significant player in the global arms market, particularly among nations looking for alternatives to Western aircraft. 4. Operational flexibility and future developments. The J-35's design allows for significant operational flexibility, accommodating a variety of missions ranging from air superiority to ground attack. This multi-role capability is essential for modern air forces that must adapt to rapidly changing battlefield dynamics. The ability to operate from both land bases and aircraft carriers enhances China's strategic options, allowing it to respond to crises across diverse geographic areas. Furthermore, the ongoing advancements in the J-35 program indicate a commitment to continuous improvement. Future iterations may incorporate enhanced avionics, improved payload capacities, and even more advanced stealth features. Observers should pay close attention to how these developments evolve, as they will significantly influence not just China's capabilities but also the strategic calculations of its adversaries. Conclusion. In summary, the Shenyang J-35 represents a multifaceted advancement in China's military capabilities with implications that extend well beyond its immediate operational role. The interplay between technological innovation, strategic intent, and regional security dynamics makes the J-35 a focal point for understanding the future of military aviation in Asia and the global arms market. As developments continue, the J-35 will likely play a pivotal role in shaping the balance of power in the region, making it essential for military analysts and policymakers to closely monitor its trajectory. 1. Development timeline and technological evolution. The J-35's evolution from the FC-31 project illustrates China's commitment to advancing its military aviation capabilities. Key milestones include the FC-31's maiden flight in 2012, the J-35's first flight in 2021, and the introduction of the J-35A variant in 2023. The transition from the FC-31 to J-35 highlights significant design improvements, such as the integration of advanced propulsion systems like the WS-21 engine, which provides enhanced thrust and efficiency compared to earlier models. This development trajectory showcases China's strategic focus on creating a multi-role stealth fighter capable of competing with established Western designs like the F-35. 2. Strategic implications in global military balance. The introduction of the J-35 significantly alters the balance of power in military aviation, particularly in the Asia-Pacific region. The J-35 is positioned to compete directly with the US F-22 and F-35, enhancing China's air superiority and surface strike capabilities. As China strengthens its naval power, the J-35's carrier-based variant is critical for operations in contested maritime environments. This development could lead to shifts in defense policies among regional rivals, prompting countries like India and Japan to accelerate their own advanced fighter programs in response to the perceived threat from China's growing aerial capabilities. 3. Export potential and international collaboration. The J-35's design not only serves China's military needs but also positions it as a potential player in the global arms market. With countries like Pakistan expressing interest in acquiring the J-31 and Egypt exploring options for the FC-31, China aims to establish itself as a viable alternative for nations unable to procure Western fighter jets. This strategic outreach could bolster China's influence in regions where defense cooperation is critical, potentially reshaping alliances and defense partnerships across Asia and beyond. 4. Future technological advancements. The ongoing development of the J-35 series, particularly with the anticipated introduction of the WS-19 engine, suggests a commitment to maintaining technological superiority. The WS-19 aims to enhance the fighter's thrust-to-weight ratio and may enable supercruise capabilities, further improving operational effectiveness. Additionally, advancements in avionics, including the integration of AESA radar systems like the KLJ-7, will enhance situational awareness and engagement capabilities. This continuous technological evolution indicates China's intent to remain competitive in the ever-evolving landscape of fifth-generation fighter technology. Here are three famous historical cases that are similar in nature to the development and implications of the Chinese J-35 stealth fighter. 1. F-22 Raptor development, United States. The F-22 Raptor is a fifth-generation stealth air superiority fighter developed by Lockheed Martin for the United States Air Force. Its development began in the 1980s initially as part of the Advanced Tactical Fighter program. The F-22 incorporates advanced technologies such as stealth supercruise and advanced avionics, making it one of the most capable air dominance fighters in history. The aircraft's first flight occurred in 1997 and it was officially introduced into service in 2005. The F-22 was designed to maintain air superiority against potential adversaries, particularly following the Cold War era. Its development was marked by significant technological innovation similar to the J-35's emphasis on stealth and advanced avionics, as both aircraft represent national priorities in military aviation technology. 2. Sukhoi Su-57 Russia. The Sukhoi Su-57, formerly known as PAC-FA, is Russia's first stealth fighter jet developed by Sukhoi. The project began in the 1990s with the first prototype flying in 2010. Like the J-35, the Su-57 is designed to perform air superiority and ground attack missions while incorporating stealth features to reduce radar cross-section. The aircraft is equipped with advanced avionics, including an active electronically scanned array AESA radar, similar to the technology used in the J-35. The Su-57 aims to compete with Western fifth-generation fighters like the F-22 and F-35. Its development reflects Russia's response to the changing dynamics of aerial warfare and the need to modernize its air force capabilities, paralleling China's strategic development of the J-35. 3. Eurofighter Typhoon Europe. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a multi-role combat aircraft developed by a consortium of European aerospace companies including Airbus BAE Systems and Leonardo. Its development started in the late 1980s, aiming to replace older fighter jets in European air forces. The Typhoon features advanced aerodynamics, a high thrust-to-weight ratio, and a sophisticated avionics suite, allowing it to excel in both air-to-air and air-to-ground roles. While not a stealth fighter in the same category as the J-35 or F-35, the Typhoon includes elements of reduced radar visibility and advanced electronic warfare capabilities. The collaborative development of the Typhoon showcases how multiple nations can come together for defense technology advancement, akin to China's efforts with the J-35 to position itself competitively on the global military stage. These cases highlight the ongoing evolution of military aviation technology, the pursuit of advanced capabilities, and the strategic implications of developing modern fighter aircraft. Future outlook: predictions for the Shenyang J-35 jet. The Shenyang J-35, a next-generation stealth fighter jet developed by China, is set to play a crucial role in the country's military aviation landscape in the coming years, as it progresses from prototype testing to operational deployment. Several key predictions can be made regarding its future impact on both the Chinese military and the global defense market. 1. Operational integration and deployment. The J-35 will likely become fully operational within the People's Liberation Army Air Force (PLAAF) and the People's Liberation Army Naval Air Force (PLANAF) by the late 2020s. The integration of the J-35 into the Chinese military will enhance China's aerial combat capabilities, allowing for improved air superiority and ground attack operations. The aircraft's stealth features, advanced avionics, and weapon systems will enable it to operate effectively in contested environments, making it a critical asset for both air and naval operations. 2. International market penetration. As the J-35 matures, it is expected to attract interest from international customers, particularly nations seeking advanced fifth-generation combat aircraft but unable to access Western alternatives like the F-35. Countries such as Pakistan and Egypt have already expressed interest in acquiring variants of the J-35. The potential for these sales could create a new competitive dynamic in the global defense market, challenging established players and expanding China's influence in military aviation exports. 3. Technological advancements. The ongoing development of the J-35 is likely to lead to continuous technological advancements. Future iterations may incorporate upgraded engine technology such as the anticipated WS-19 engine, which would provide increased thrust and improved fuel efficiency. These enhancements could enable the J-35 to achieve supercruise capabilities, further solidifying its position as a formidable competitor against other fifth-generation fighters. 4. Impact on regional security dynamics. The introduction of the J-35 into active service will significantly alter the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region. Neighboring countries, particularly India and Japan, may accelerate their own fighter jet programs in response, leading to an arms race in advanced military aviation. This dynamic could heighten tensions in the region as nations seek to bolster their air combat capabilities in light of China's expanding military prowess. 5. Role in joint operations. The J-35's design as a multi-role fighter will facilitate its integration into joint operations with other branches of the Chinese military, including the Navy and ground forces. This capability will enhance China's overall military effectiveness and allow for coordinated operations across different domains. The J-35 could serve as a key component in China's future military strategies, particularly in scenarios involving joint maritime and aerial campaigns. 6. Surveillance and reconnaissance applications. In addition to its combat capabilities, the J-35 may also be utilized for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance ISR missions. Equipped with advanced sensors and networks, the aircraft can gather critical battlefield intelligence, providing the Chinese military with enhanced situational awareness. This capability will be essential as China seeks to modernize its military and maintain strategic advantages in various operational theaters. 7. Long-term development path. Looking further ahead, the J-35 could evolve into more advanced variants, possibly leading to a sixth-generation fighter concept. The lessons learned from the J-35's development and operational use will likely inform future designs, focusing on enhanced stealth, artificial intelligence integration, and unmanned capabilities. This trajectory will ensure that China remains competitive in an increasingly complex global security environment. Conclusion. The Shenyang J-35 is poised to become a cornerstone of China's military aviation strategy, with significant implications for both domestic and international defense landscapes. As it transitions from development to operational deployment, the J-35 will not only enhance China's military capabilities but also reshape the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region and beyond. The ongoing advancements in technology, potential international sales, and its role in joint operations will define the future of the J-35 and its place in modern aerial warfare.